Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Luis Cayambe. Today I am going to present 10 spelling bee. Amazon, AMAZON, contaminación. Biodiversity, BRODIVERSITY, biodiversidad. Ecosystem, ECOSYSTEM, ecosistema. Indigenous, INDIGENOUS, indígena. Disturbed, DISTURBED, perturbado, perturbada. Attempt, ATTEMPT, intento. Drill, DRILL, perforar, taladro. Deforestation, DEFORESTATION, deforestación. Earthquake, EARTHQUAKE, terremoto.